Good evening student, this is your math workbook of class 7th. Now this is the last worksheet of this chapter 6.8. So student, this is long answer type questions and each question has 4 marks. So first question is, find the value of x if the angle of a triangle have measure 2x plus 20, x plus 40 and 3x. State which type of triangle is this. So angle of triangle are 2x plus 20, x plus 40 and 3x. So we know the sum of all angle of triangle is 180. So add all angle 2x plus 20, x plus 40 and 3x is equal to 180. Now the add of value of x 6x and 60 subtract from 180 is 120 and divide by 6, the value of x is 20. The angle of triangle are 2x plus 20, 2 multiply 20 plus 20. We put the value of x. So is 60 degree. Second is x plus 40. So 20 plus 40 is 60 again. Next is 3x. So 3 multiply 20 is 60. So this the triangle is equilateral triangle. Question number second. A boy walked 4 kilometers south and then 3 kilometers west. Find how far is he from the starting point. This is north, south, west and east. So a boy walked 4 kilometers south and from A and then 3 kilometers west from B. So this is 4 and B. So we have to find the hypotenuse, this form. So in a right triangle ABC, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So this is 4 centimeter, this is 3 centimeter. So 4 square plus 3 square is 25. The root of 25 is 5. So the boy is 5 kilometers 4 from the starting point. Question number 3. In triangle ABC, line segment DE is parallel to BC. Find x by z. So D is parallel to BC. This is parallel to BC. So angle AED is equal to ECD, corresponding angle. So angle AED, this angle is equal to ECB, this angle. So angle Y is equal to 50 degree. Now in triangle ADE, so we can find the value of x, y is equal to 50. So x plus 60 plus y is equal to 180. X plus y is equal to 180 minus 60 is 120. Then the value of y is 50. So 120 minus 50 is 70. The x is 70 degree. X is 70, y is 50. Now we find the value of z. So again triangle ABC, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180. We put the value of x by z. So value of x is 70, value of z we have find, and value of C is 50 degree. Is equal to 180. Now add the 70 plus 50, 120. Z plus 120 is equal to 180. So we subtract 120 from 180. So is it 60 degree. The angles are x is equal to 70, y is equal to 50 and z is equal to 60. Question number 4 is, find the perimeter of a rectangle whose diagonal is 34 meter and length is 30 meter. So let the breadth of rectangle is x meter. If length of rectangle is 30 meter, the diagonal is 34 meters given. Then we write 34 square plus 30 square plus x square. We subtract 30 square from 34 square. Then 256. The root of 256 is 16 meter. The breadth of rectangle is 16 meter. So perimeter of rectangle 2 multiply L plus B, 2 multiply 30 plus 60. So 30 plus 60 is 46, multiply 2 is 92 meter. Question number 5. A ladder is placed against wall in such a way that its foot is at a display distance of 12 meter from the wall and its top reaches a window 9 meter above the ground on the wall. Find the ladder of the length of the ladder. This is the ladder, this is window, this is wall complete. This is distance between ladder and wall. AB is length of ladder, AC is height of window, BC distance of foot of ladder from wall is 12 meter. In the right angle of triangle ABC, AB square is equal to BC square plus CA square. So BC is 12 meter given and CA is equal to 9. It is 225. So root of 225 is 15 meter. So length of the ladder is 15 meter. This is 15 meter. Question number 6. In figure, find the value of x. So student, in right angle triangle ABC, angle ABC is 180 degree. So 55 plus x plus 90. So 55 plus x plus this is 90 degree. So value of x is 35. So student, question number 7. In a triangle ABC, the measure of angle A is 40 degree less than the measure of angle B and 50 degree less than angle that of angle C. Find the measure of A. So in angle A of angle ABC is x is one statement. Then according to problem, angle is less 40 degree less than that of angle B. So angle B is equal to x plus 40. It is second equation. Now angle is 50 degree less than the B. So angle C is equal to x plus 50. So in triangle, angle ABC is 150. Then from 1, 2 and 3 add all equation. So x plus 40 plus x plus 50 is equal to 180. X 3x, 40 plus 50 is 90 and is equal to 180. 3x is equal to 180 minus 90 is equal to 90. Divided by 3 is 30. X is equal to 30. So angle A is 30. Angle B is equal to x plus 40. So x plus 40 is 30 plus 40 is 70. Angle C is equal to x plus 50. So value of x is 30. 30 plus 50 is 80. So angles are 30, 70 and 80. So student, there are 7 questions in this worksheet. I have 14 questions. So next 7 questions we cover in next video.